Hey everyone! You know how much I love the holidays and Christmas? It's my absolute favorite. We've been traveling all over, but let's be honest, not everyone wants a Christmas away from home. Some of us love our own Christmas crackers and slightly tilted Christmas trees. And that's great, because Christmas is about who you're with and what you do, not where you are. So get ready, because I've got 15 awesome ways to make this Christmas at home the most magical one yet. Stay tuned until the end for a big surprise about what's coming next. First up, the best part of cozy Christmas evening's movie night. Transform your living room with twinkling fairy lights and soft blankets. And the best part, hot chocolate with marshmallows, whipped cream, and a dash of cinnamon. Snuggle up and watch a classic like Home Alone or Elf. It's all about that warm, fuzzy feeling, like a big Christmas hug in movie form, whatever you like. Who's ready to bake? Nothing says Christmas like the smell of freshly baked treats throughout the house. Gingerbread men, sugar cookies, maybe even a Christmas pudding. Get the whole family involved, play some fun Christmas music, and let's start baking. Who says you need to spend lots of money on decorations? Let's get creative and make our own. Get out the glitter, glue, and felt, homemade ornaments, sparkly snowflakes, maybe even a festive garland made from popcorn and cranberries. It's a lot of fun and adds that personal touch, making your home feel extra special. Christmas isn't always about being physically together. Thanks to technology, we can still connect. Organize a virtual Christmas dinner, everyone dressed in their best Christmas sweaters. Or how about a fun karaoke session? Sing those Christmas classics and share the festive cheer, even from miles apart. No Christmas is complete without music. Create the ultimate Christmas playlist with Mariah Carey, Wham and Slade. Turn up the volume, tap your toes, and let the festive spirit fill every corner of your home. Gather around, everyone. It's time for a fun game night, Christmas style. Get out the Monopoly, Scrabble, or Trivial Pursuit. But here's the twist festive rules. Land on Mayfair, sing Jingle Bells in a silly voice. Get a question wrong, eat a mince pie. It's all about adding that extra bit of Christmas cheer. A little bit of friendly competition never hurt anyone, right? Just remember, it's all for fun. Unless you're playing Monopoly, then it's everyone for themselves. Parents, listen up. An indoor treasure hunt, Christmas edition, is perfect for keeping the kids entertained. Hide presents, sweets, and stocking stuffers around the house with clever clues. It's a great way to build excitement and get everyone involved. Say cheese, it's time to capture those Christmas memories with a photo shoot. Find a nice spot, hang up some fairy lights, and use some props. Santa hats, reindeer antlers, silly Christmas sweaters. Set the timer, strike a pose, and there you go. Christmas card-worthy photos for years to come. Christmas is a time for giving. Spread a little Christmas cheer to those who need it most. Donate to a local food bank, volunteer at a homeless shelter, or even just smile at a stranger. A small act of kindness can make a big difference. Unleash your inner filmmaker and create a Christmas movie. Capture all the Christmas fun, film your Christmas morning, your dog trying to eat the turkey, or grandpa falling asleep after too many mince pies. Get creative, have a laugh, and cherish those homemade Christmas movies for years to come. Who's ready for a feast? We're talking a really fancy Christmas dinner. Set the table, get out the good dishes, and go all out with the decorations. Roast turkey, glazed ham, all the trimmings, light up the Christmas pudding, make a wish, and dig in. It's about making it a special occasion. Actors, assemble. Create your very own Christmas play. Write a script, assign roles, and get out the costumes. Reenact a classic Christmas story or create your own funny adventure. It's about making memories and laughing, and who knows, you might discover a hidden talent. Get the photo albums out and dust off the old videos. It's time for a trip down memory lane. Relive past Christmases, share some old memories, and embarrass your kids with photos of them wearing reindeer antlers. Calling all bakers, it's time to create some edible masterpieces. Decorate Christmas cookies and cupcakes, get creative with your designs, and enjoy the process. Plus, you get to eat your creations. Turn up the music and have a real Christmas party, get those Christmas tunes playing, clear some space and get ready to dance. It's about letting loose, embracing the festive spirit and dancing like nobody's watching. So there you have it, my 15 top tips for making this Christmas at home the most magical one yet. Remember, it's about spending quality time with loved ones and embracing the spirit of the season. Our little Christmas adventure is coming to an end, but I've got a brand new series coming your way very soon. It's going to be bigger, better, and even more fun. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in the new year. Cheers.